Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Maths class. Today we are going to learn second method in multiplication from Vedic Maths. Please listen carefully. It is also one of the simplest method in multiplication. In last video we have seen the multiplication by vertical and crosswise method, that is first method. If you haven't seen the video, I have given the link of that video in the description. You can go there and you can get it. Now let's solve some problems by the method 2. Now let's take one example. I am taking here one example as first example as 8 into 9. It is a single digit. The nearest round figure for these values is 10, so I am taking 10 here and I am comparing these two values with 10. If I compare 8 to 10, 8 is 2 less than 10, so I am writing minus 2 here because 8 is minus 2 less than 10. So, and again 9 is 1 less than 10, so I am writing 1 here and I am writing minus because it is less than 10. 9 is less than 10, so I am doing here. It consists of a right hand value and the left hand value. The right hand value will be obtained by the multiplication of the right side digits. If we compare with the 10, the right hand value must be a single digit, and if we compare with 100, the right hand means values must be in 10th place, that is double digit. And if we compare with 1000, it must be a triple digit. If we compare with 1000 here, it will become 002 and it will become 001. If you see the examples, you can understand that. Now the right hand value and the left hand value. Right hand value will be obtained by multiplication of the right side values. Now I am multiplying 2 into 1. The value is 2, and now the left side answer will be obtained by crosswise subtraction. Here we are doing subtraction because we have minus subtraction symbol here, so it is less than 10. So while comparing, it is less than 10, so we are taking less subtraction symbol and we are subtracting crosswise. So if we subtract crosswise, 8 minus 1 or 9 minus 2, the answer will be obtained same. So I am taking 8 minus 1, it is 7, so answer is 72. Now I am doing a second example. Let's take second example, that is 12 into 16, and the nearest round figure for these values also 10, so I am taking 10 here. And if I compare with 10, 12 is greater than 2, so it is greater than 2, so I am taking plus 2. Again 16 is greater than 10. How much? 16 is 6 greater than 10, so I am taking plus 6 here. Again, if I the right side value will be obtained by the multiplication of 6 and 2, so it will be 12. The right side value is a single digit, so the answer must be also a single digit. So from 12 I am taking 2 and I am carry forwarding 1 to the next value. The next value, the left side value, will be obtained by cross addition. Here it is addition, here it is subtraction, here it is addition. So 12 plus 6 or 16 plus 2, it is same 18. So 18, for 18 1 will be added here, so it will become 19. The answer is 192. Let's take one more example, third example. Here I am taking 96 into 72. Okay, I am here comparing with 100 because the nearest round figure for 96 and 72 is 100, so I am comparing with 100. Here 96 is 4 less than 100, so I am writing 04, and here the 72 is 28 less than 100, so I am writing minus 28. Okay, now the right side value will be obtained by multiplication of 28 and 4. The value is 112. 28 into 4 is 112. In 112, here in the method, in the above here multiplication, we have two digits, right? in the answer also we have to take only a 2 digit, from the answer we have to take 2 digit, and the another will be added to the carry forward to the next value. So from 1 to 12 and 12 will be taken, and 1 is carry forward to the next value. So now we have to subtract 28 from 96 and 4 from 72. The answer will be same, that is I am taking here 72 minus 4 is simple, so I am taking 72 minus 4 is 68, and for 68 1 will be added, so it will become 69. 6912 is the answer for 96 into 72. And I am taking the fourth example as 115 into 107. Here again 115 and 107 are nearest value for 100, round figure 100, so I am taking 100, I am comparing with 100. If I compare with 100, 115 is 15 greater than 100 and 107 is 7 greater than 100, so I am taking 07 here, plus again I am taking plus, it is greater than, so I am taking plus here. The right side value will be obtained by multiplication of 15 into 7, that is 35, and 15 into 7 105, right, 105. Here from 105 here we have only 2 digits, right, so from 105 1 is carry forward to the next value, only 05 will be taken. Okay, 05 will be taken. I am writing here 05, 1 is carry forward to the next value. Again we have to add crosswise, 15 plus 115 plus 7 or 107 plus 15. Okay, 115 plus 7 is 22, 115 plus 7 is 122. For 122 if we add 1 it will become 123. The answer is 12,305. The answer is 12,305. See how simple this method is. Now let's take one more example, our fifth example. Let's take a 3-digit number 987 into 992. Okay, here again the nearest round figure is 1000. For 987 and 992 the nearest round figure is 1000, so I am comparing with 1000 here. If I compare with 1000, 987 is 13 less than 1000, so I am writing 013. It is a 3 digit, so it must be a 3 digit, right? So again here 992, right, and 992 if I compare with 1000 it is 8 less than 1000, so I am writing 008. Again I have to multiply 13 into 8. Okay, 13 into 8 is 104, so I am writing 104. In here also right hand values are 3 digits, so answer will be also a 3 digit, and the left side value will be, we have to subtract 987 minus 8. 987 minus 8 is 979. The value of this multiplication is 9,79,104, and let's do sixth example. Let's take a sixth example as 01011 into 1008. Okay, again it is the nearest round figure for this is 1000, so I am here, if I compare with 1000, 1011 is 11 greater than 1000, so I am writing 011 plus greater than, so plus 011. Again here 1008 is 8 greater than 1000, so I am writing 008. Now the rightmost value must contain the 3 digits. If I multiply 11 into 8 it is 88, so but it must be a 3 digit. The answer must be the right side answer must be 3 digit, so we are not getting 3 digit, so we have to write 88 and again 10. Okay, if we have 1001, here it will be 1001 means 001. 1 into 8 it is 8, so we have to keep here 2 zeros. means 008. The right side value will answer will become 008. Now the left side answer is you have to add 1011 plus 8 or 1008 1008 plus 11. If you add 1011 plus 8, it is 1019. The answer is 10,19,088. Okay, thanks for watching the video. The more and more examples will be explained by this from the method in the next video. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.